What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Gabe. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of track content, a lot of product reviews. And I'm here today at Buttonwillow with a bunch of my buddies. I'm going to turn this around and show you guys what I got. So the usual suspects, Casey, Jason, Eli, but we got a special guest today. His what, second track day? Actual track day? Or, oh no, you have quite a bit, huh? Fifth? This is like your fifth.
This is my fifth track day, but this is only the third track day I've done in this car.
Yeah.
And I've never done a track more than once in this car. So every track I've done has always been something new.
Yeah, okay.
So,
all right.
First time out on Buttonwillow on these good old shot all seasons.
How did it go your first session? Because you got some dirt on the wheels. What happened?
Yeah, so towards the end of my first session, I flew off at the infamous bus stop. As you can see, the car is pretty filthy. I was sort of just learning the track. Gabe was riding along with me. He was giving me some commentary along with just some guidelines on what the best line would be to take for the track to optimize, getting the fastest lap time.
Yeah.
And I'd say overall, it's a really fun track. It's definitely a track that takes a lot of learning. It keeps you on your toes constantly.
Yeah.
Like I was telling the other guys, it's the only track in SoCal that I've been on that I don't have the layout still fully memorized in my head.
Yeah,
there's so many little intricacies within the track. But the good part about that is that you learn a lot, and so I'm just looking forward to shaving down time. So first session I ran a 210.
Yeah.
Nothing.
You didn't really feel like you were pushing too hard either, so.
No. The tires, I'd say, are my biggest limiting factor right now. I really need to switch over to a squared setup, get some proper track tires, some hard compounds on there, and I think all
these are fucking all seasons.
So we'll see. I think I can shave off maybe like another second or two.
No, dude, I think you got another
more?
Yeah, usually when it's your first time and first session at track, that second and third session you shaving off a couple seconds.
Okay. Hopefully that's the case.
Just build more confidence.
Yeah, it is heating up too. It's already
really fast.
Over 80 degrees. It's supposed to be like over 100 at the peak today. So
it's disgusting.
we're gonna try to dip out before it
it gets way too hot.
Yeah, exactly.
Car looks good. You have what brake pads are you running?
The Ferodo DS 1.11s are the brake pads that I'm running, and then I'm running Motul 660 brake fluid.
Any issues with the braking today?
No.
Okay,
No. Brakes feel amazing. Going back to the tires, that's the reason why I flew off. I understeered.
Yeah.
And I did brake a little too late too.
Yeah, you carried a lot of speed through there.
Yeah.
I think if you clean it up, I think you really do have a 206 in you.
Okay. Hopefully that's the case. If I could manage that, I'd be a very, very happy individual today.
Yeah, I think you got it. I think you got it. It'll come. guide me out?
Just straight back, straight back.
just got done driving Jason's brand new 3RS Weissach package. Thank you, senor. That shit was dope. I got a 56.6, but there was not a single lap. You'll see that we didn't come up on somebody and it slowed down the lap at the worst times too. Like we kept getting stopped at the hairpin. We got stopped through bus stop, Phil Hill. So never really got a clean lap. I'm pretty sure a clean lap would have been a 53 in this car as is, but overall, holy fuck, man, what a car. The motor sounds different too than the 3.8 for sure. It's got like a deeper howl compared to my car. But overall, fuck, man, what a beast.